Normally in Word documents, when we want to split up text into two different regions of the page, we normally type the first text, and the second text, if we want to move it somewhere else, we painstakingly use the tab key or the space key to move it where we want it to be. This is very inefficient. Let me show you a faster way. So in Word, we have the double click effect, meaning that if I want to type birthday here, I just double click that area and I type birthday. If I want to use this area in the middle here, I double click wherever I want and the cursor will insert itself. So happy birthday, heart to heart, and we can insert text anywhere that way. So even here, the copyright, somewhere here, I can enter our website. So this is how to insert text anywhere on the page by just double clicking where you want to insert the text.